Once single or multi-stage operation model setup is complete, start the tryout by clicking the Run button. The progress of analysis can be visualized in the Run Status dialog. In multi-stage run, operations are completed in the sequence defined. After completion, the progress bar shows a flag. Load the results by clicking on the green flag. Analysis Explorer lists results of all the defined operations and allows to switch among them seamlessly. Percentage thinning, formability based on forming limit diagram, plastic strain, major strain, and minor strain are available on the top, middle, and bottom surface of a blank to contour and check the forming feasibility of the tool design. Tools force required for forming is plotted in an additional window upon selecting tools of interest. The results can be animated to see how the blank can be incrementally deformed by tool motion to the desired shape. Callouts are available to locally query the results at locations of interest for in-depth understanding on the behavior of blank during deformation between tools. Legend colors can be adjusted for more discrete color variations using the Legend context menu or using preference.